Are you tired of dealing with constant neck and back pain or struggling to maintain proper posture during long hours of sitting or standing? You've probably seen the ads for the Corecare Posture Corrector, which promises instant support, spinal realignment, and relief from chronic discomfort. It sounds like the perfect fix, right? But before you jump in and buy, let's look deeper. Corecare makes some bold claims, but when we investigated, we found a lot of red flags mixed with only a few green ones. First, their so-called media endorsements appear unverified, and there's no credible scientific research backing the product's effectiveness. Their marketing heavily relies on sleek visuals and transformation photos that seem either heavily edited or unrealistic. On paper, it sounds like a miracle gadget, but the actual user experience tells a different story. We combed through hundreds of reviews on Amazon and Trustpilot some customers to report feeling temporary posture improvement, but just as many were frustrated by the awkward fit, cheap materials, slow delivery, and poor customer service. A common complaint was that the product either didn't fit properly or caused more discomfort after a few hours of wear. The return process was also a headache for many, with hidden fees and slow refunds. It's not all bad. There are users who found minor benefits, but overall, the product seems to fall short of its promises. So, is Corecare a revolutionary health device or just another overhyped product feeding off our desire for quick fixes?